So how do you get the reset password request on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it comes down to which service you are using. If it comes to just like general Apple account, right? You can of course go to the settings, then tap on your profile and at the top, and you can go to the sign in and security where you should have the ability to change your password. We're talking about the general Apple ID, which is kind of important, of course, to like sign in with your apps and everything. So that's one way to get there. On the other hand, there are also plenty of different websites, depends on the service, but for Apple, you can literally go to iforgot.apple.com, where you'll need to obviously use any web browser. It doesn't even have to be the phone or device where you forgot the password. It can be on a different one, but you can just click on the reset password. That's like just the one button. Type in your email or phone number, and then you need to go through a little bit of a verification, and the backup email or whatever will be activated for you to reset the password. So it's very useful in case you don't remember your current one. That's of course again for the Apple account specifically, but on other websites, whenever you are signing in, just look for the little button saying you forgot your passcode or password, and there should be like a way of retrieving it through a backup email or whatever method that website uses. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.